back with the 327 bust down. About to go up in this oil pan, check what's under this skirt. See if I can see any damage. Pan look like it's damaged right there a little bit, but let's see what happens. Yeah, see when you take that skirt off, you see what's going on. Look what's on that oil pickup. I see why he went LS. I ain't do nothing. I just took the oil pan right off. And look, what is this? Big piece of plastic, metal or something. Look at all that debris. What's this? Look like some silicone in the, oh wow. Look at that. That's why he went LS. The damn oil pump turned into a damn garbage can. So there you have it. Pistons look good though, from the underside. So we'll see what happened, man. I'm gonna get these caps off and look at these bearings. Cap and bearing off number one. Looks smooth. It ain't grooved up or nothing like that, so guess this engine was running pretty good. I don't know. See what happened when we get the rest of them off of there. Cylinder number 3 bearing. Dry as a bone. Yep. Took one of the caps off and look at that. Look at that. Cap number 3. And look at that. That's number 6. Bearing number 6. Look at it. Tore up. Y'all back. 283 bust down. Last video y'all seen me taking the pistons out. Looking at the bearings and everything like that. And the summary on this engine is the combustion was great on this engine. The oiling was screwed. If you look at the last video, you can see that there was a bunch of garbage in the oil pump pickup, and I come to the conclusion with what stopped me of taking all the pistons out is somebody welded the harmonic balancer on. Y'all see that? Nah. I never seen nothing like that before. I heard about it, but and it came to a standstill. I don't know how I'm gonna get that up off of there, and cause I can't turn the motor so I can get the pistons out. So that's where I'm at. I'm at a standstill. Again, trying to get this weld out the harmonic balancer. If somebody know what I can do to get this out without damaging anything, let me know in the comments. But until then, I'll hit y'all back with another video whenever I figure this out. Stay up.